Hi, this is Guld with Geeks on Tour, and in this video I want to show you how to get the soft waterfall effect using Apple Photos. For once, I'm not going to be using Google Photos. This is a feature of the Apple Photos app. So first, you need to start with a live photo. So here is a live photo I took of a rushing stream. If I long press on it, you'll see that there is motion. That is the live photo aspect. In Apple Photos, if I just swipe up, I have some choices. It can stay as a normal live photo, or it can loop. It can do its live over and over again. Or it can bounce, or this last one, long exposure, is what turns the water into a soft waterfall. And that's it. It is now a long exposure photo rather than a live photo.